Holden, do you know what today is? Do you know what today is? It's Christmas!
Christmas! We have to go see if Santa came to our house last night. You want to go see?
Yes.
Yes?
You want to go see? You want to see if Santa came and left you any toys?
Yeah.
Left
See
you
if he ate our cookies.
any presents? Yeah, we'll have to see if he ate the cookies we left and if he brought you any presents.
You want to go see?
Yes.
Okay, let's go see.
You go see.
Okay, quick.
Wait. Holden, you went too far.
Where do we leave Santa's cookies? Over here. What's all this?
Did Santa eat the cookies?
It's gone.
It's gone? Did he eat them?
Gone? What is this?
Wow!
Okay.
What does it say? Merry Christmas, Holden from Santa.